many fucking times do I have to tell you? I don't care.
Notice, girl, where your wife give me brain every time. I feel like me need motives. Watch for my wrist, coolest, rich.
So sperm is made out of glucose. Does anybody have any questions? Yes, Danielle? So you're saying that a sperm has sugar? Yes, technically yes. That's weird. So why doesn't it taste... Excuse me? What?
I know what you did last night.
A word? Did you get it on camera? Cause she was a friend.
No, before that.
Oh, you saw me take that 20 out my mom's purse. Look, bro, she owe me that money, but she talking about she ain't gotta pay me cause she raised me.
Ryan, stop acting stupid.
Ryan, dude, this dare.
Wrong number.
Ooh, baby, I be stuck to you like glue, baby. Wanna spend it all on you, baby. My room is the G-spot. Call me Mr. Flintstone. I can make it bad right.
Baby, you know that I miss you. I wanna get with you tonight, but I cannot, baby girl, and that's the issue. Girl, you know I miss you. I just wanna kiss you, but I can't right now, so baby,
Straps on deck, Patron on ice. And we can pop bottles all night, baby. You can have whatever you like. I said you can have whatever you like.
I might be too strung out on compliments, overdosed on confidence. Started not to give a fuck and stop fearing the consequence. Drinking every night because we drink to my accomplishments. Faded way too long, I'm floating in and out of.
Try not to sing along challenge. 90s R&B edition. Let's go.
Say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. You ain't running game. No, I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride. Trying to holler and do you ever dream of I'm going down, 'cause you ain't around, baby. My whole world's upside down.
Spotlight, moonlight. Then why you tripping, get your Mariah? Someone that's afraid to let go. Baby, I don't understand this. You're changing, I can't stand it. Mix a little bit of weed with a little bit of cash with a little. Hey, can't keep my dick in my pants. Hey, my bitch don't love me no more. Hey, she kicked me out on life, bro. Hey, that bitch don't wanna be friends.
Baby, I need you in my life, in my life. Please, baby, don't go.
Tell the feeling like I'm trapped in my damn mind. Tell the feeling like I'm rapping a damn lie. Tell the feeling like my life is a damn game.
I know you're somewhere, somewhere.
I've dug two graves for us, my dear. Can't pretend that I was perfect living you in fear.
If you were a teen in the 2000s, this one's for you.
I swear I missed the times when you would tie me to a jail and tease me from the back of my neck out to my ear.
Baby, you have become my addiction. Is it man on the floor? If he ain't, then let me know. Let me see if you can run it up strong. Dog, she got me doing things I'll never do. You see me looking at you and you already know I wanna love you.
It's better go, you need to hurry up. The end of the night, I'm gonna have to take off.
But I got tight spots where my heart used to be. But I got tight spots.
Now, I've been waiting, think I wanna make that move.
Got me feeling it. I don't know what it is, but she's twisted.
Tell me how I'm supposed to breathe with no.
Don't React Challenge Part 98. Wagwan. It's a dancehall ting. Let's go.
DJ Blizzard.
Duck a dill, 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 sell a boy get killed. Duck a dill.
dill. Look up in the barrel.
No, 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 so no, 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 go so.
It's all about Romy and the big fat sister Naomi. You two of them claims that them know me. All them argument throw me. The boy them name row. Bad man forward, bad man pull up. Bad man forward, bad man pull up. Bad man forward, bad man pull up. Bad man pull up. Bad man pull up.
Me want to hold you, put me arms right around you. Can you give me the tightest hold me ever get seen in my life?
DJ Blitz.
Show you then your mom.
So long as you sing. My mom is Dominican, Cuban. My dad is from Chile and PR, which means I'm Chile, Dominic, Rican. But I always say I'm from Queens.
I'm loose.
I'ma take her to Chanel, she don't even gotta ask. Put whatever on the counter, could take her, come pay the tab. Young rich nigga, never looking at the tags. I can take her home to mama, lil' mama be showing ass. Flying for
All I need in this life is sin. Tell me why the blood in.
Bati. Brother, you're Bati boy, man. Bati boy.
You know what? I'm actually back and forth with this one. I'm back and forth. Because I like manual. Like, I like driving manual. I learnt to drive in a manual. My first and second and third cars have all been manual. I've driven automatics. Manual I've had more fun in. Automatics are just... It's like driving a go-kart. It's like being in a bumper car. Like, it ain't all that. It's like driving a toy car. But in a manual, you have to know how to drive the manual. Like, you see in America. Like, over there, you can pass your test in the auto and drive a manual. Like, it doesn't matter. As long as you got a license, you can drive it. But over here, if you pass the test in manual, you can drive both. But if you pass the test in an auto, you can only drive auto. But for me, personally, manual, that's what you need. When you're like proper into cars and all that, and you just love driving, manual's what you need. But then again, I see why people drive autos though, because this is easy, cruise, no worries. But it works out more expensive driving autos, that's the only thing. Like insurance, buying and everything is more expensive. But I also know a lot of people that bought autos and said, nah, I should have kept the manual. But I have fun in a manual. Like, manuals are so